Kini ang GMA Radio TV, balitang mahugani. Mahayong hapon, kini ang GMA RTV, balitang mahugani. Today is now August 9, 2026, Domingo. Ako naman, si Kuya Jacob, kasama wala si Kuya Jack at si Sean. Ang malakas ng baha sa Central Luzon sa Metro Manila at sa Batangas. Ayon sa picture na malakas ang baha sa Central Luzon, sa Batangas, sa Metro Manila, Taguig, Pampanga, Marilao. Okay, ang mga taga sa Central Luzon, malakas ang baha. Malakas ng baha sa Central Luzon. Sa Metro Manila, malakas ng baha o malakas na ulan na yan. At mayroong orange rainfall at red rainfall warning sa Metro Manila na malakas ng ulan at malakas ang baha sa Metro Manila. Okay. Ang isang mall sa Canio City sa Minecraft na-cancel. Yung building ang tinatawag ay SM City Canio. Na-cancel na yan, the largest mall in the world. Pero cancel na yung mall. Ayan sa picture, na-cancel na yan. Cancel yung building sa Canio. Live si Alex live mula sa SM City Canio. Please, English version. Why the SM City Canio was literally cancelled before all the constructions are literally leaving the mall. It's now abandoned.
The mall was closed. Because all the constructions, people was tired of making because they cancelled and the flag was too old, Jacob. People was tired of building that big mall and the flag's still there. Jacob?
Thank you, Alex live mula sa Canio City. Merong bagong mall na release sa Minecraft. Ang tawag ay SM City San Amigos at SM City Iriga. Ay construction na kami na yung SM City Iriga. Ma-open sila ng October na 1. Kung real ba ni mag-change lang silang date. And SM City San Amigos hapit na mag-abre or dili pa. Okay, you excited? All the malls in literally all will open coming soon. SM City San Amigos and SM City Iriga is coming soon to open. Ayan ang picture ng SM City Amigos and SM Iriga. Coming soon na ma-abre today. Kasi na-start na yung SM Amigos kanang grupo kayo. At SM Iriga is now coming soon to open the largest mall in San Amigos City. Ayan sa picture. Okay. Live mula si Alex again sa SM Iriga. Alex? Sorry, mali ako. Live mula si Alex sa pod gihapon sa kanina. Live mula sa Iriga City sa kanina. Alex?
The mall was coming soon to open. Sam Iriga was still soon, and the Sam Prime Holding was planned to put the fence and they removed the grasses. Jacob?
Thank you, Alex. Live mula sa Canio City sa Iriga. So it's now almost no time, but we'll still have many times, like the minutes. So it's will not gonna ending. So let's go. Babalik kami sa GMA Radio TV, balitang mahugani. Kini ang GMA Radio TV, balitang mahugani. It's na almost now time. Maraming salamat. Ayan ko, balitang tinatukan sa balita. Walang kinikilingan. Serbisyong totoo lamang. Ako noon si Kuya Jacob. Ito ang Jimmy Richard TV. Balitang mahukay.